Welcome this video. Here are some outside fence idea to inspire the beauty and functional to your outdoor space. Type of fence. Wood fence. Wood fence are a classic choice and can be stood or print to match your home interior. Metal fence. Metal fence are extreme security and can be made for aluminum stream bamboo fence. Bamboo fence are eco friendly, sustainability and can add natural tropical touch to your outdoor space. Compost fence. Fence are made from a combination of materials such as wood and bricking and often durable and low main entrance. Decoration fence idea. Little top fence. Add a little top to your fence for a decoration touch and to provide add shade and provide gardening fence. Use a gardening fence to define your outdoor space and add a decoration touch with plants, flower or other gardening feature. Fence with planted. Attach planted to your fence to add color, textile and beauty to your outdoor space. Functional fence idea. Security fence. Install a security fence with stud material and a secure lock structure to provide your protection. Pole fence. Use a pole fence to to provide a soft bring area your pool and provide account. Pets fence. Install a pot fence to keep your pet soft and security in your outdoor space. Boundaries fence. Use a boundaries fence to define your property line and provide a clean structure from neighborhood process. Noise rate fence. Install a noise reading fence with sound ability material to rate noise population and create a more peaceful outdoor space. Fence idea. Repurpose material fence. Use repurposed material such as old pallet or reclaimed wood to create a unique and eco-friendly fence. Bamboo fence. Use bamboo stout to create a natural rustic fence that easy to install and main entrance. Upcycle fence. Upcycle an old fence by repost recent or refined the material to create a unique and functional space. Fence lights area. Solar panel lights. Use solar panel light to illuminate your fence and provide a centrability. Eco-friendly lights. Salt. Salt lights. Hand salt light among your fans to create a warm and white embrace in your outdoor space. Fence post light. Install fence post light to provide a brink lights solution that also easy to install. LED lights. Use LED lights to create a modern effect light solution that also durable and long lasting. Modding set lights. Install stick lights to provide a security electric effect, lights, solved that also convenience and easy to use. Conclusion: outside fence idea can enhance the beauty, functional, and security of your outdoor space. From decoration fence idea to functional fence idea, there are many other to choose from. Consider your budget, living style, and functional perfect. Then select the fence style, material, and design with a little created and plan. You can create a beautiful, functional, and security fence that enhance your outdoor living experience.